you're watching this video, you probably clicked because without knowing it, you saw my spiritual light. Now, what is light and how do we get it? Well, first off, some of the benefits. If you have light, it gives you access into rooms that you didn't have access to before. It causes the right people to see you. It causes the kings of society, who are the kings of society, these are the people who are top in business, top in their field, industry leaders, to take note of you. It causes wealth to pour into your gates, not because you're sitting on your hands doing nothing, but because you were diligent to grow your light from a tiny little spark to a lighthouse that faithfully produces light to everyone around it. So, simple ways to grow your light. Number one, show up every single day. And I'm talking about consistency. Number two, you want to position yourself where everyone can see you. And it's never been easier in the history of the world to do that with social media. Now you can show up and post. Everyone can see you every single day. Two things. Number three, be generous. What are you giving to the people around you? If you want more ideas on how you can grow your light and the benefits that it causes, then follow along. And if you want to learn how to implement this into your business, I use this to grow 500,000 followers on my personal brand, Jesse Young Keely. You can look it up on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I've also used it to grow my clients like Chris to 100,000 followers just this month. Or Tom, he's only been posting for 3 weeks now, and he already has over 1 million views. So if you want to learn how to grow your light and leverage that to build a personal brand that will cause you to make the world a better place, then there's a link down below. You can book a call with me. I'll see you there.